Hey yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is all kinds of videos, opening a new package, new box, new subscription, beerstruggles.com. Let's see what they got here. I got the kit. A friend sent me from Georgia. He's trying to get me into this. Unboxing. Comes with the towel. Check that out, eh? Okay, everything is packaged very nicely. As you can see, fuck you, cancer, the beer struggle. I hope I can get them. I really hope that I can get them to sponsor me. Let's see here. Nicely packaged. Oh, sticky. One-handed unwraps is not easy. Welcome to the family. They have a grow your beard for a year and you can win $10,000 in cash. I like this fuck you cancer sticker. It's dope. Now time for all the good stuff. First we got the micro needle derma roller. Supposed to have little needles on them. Supposed to help you with your beard. Next up, oh, this is for you. This is beard wash. You wanna wash your beard like shampoo. And here's like the conditioner. The Viking Sea Mineral Beard Mask. Got the Volks. I can't really read this. I'll look it up later. That looks dope. The Beard Struggles brush. Comb for your beard. And here is the things to make your beard smell good. Can't really tell by the names here, but this is Ragnarok. Something on it. I'll look up the names later for them. I got two. I think one's day, one's night. And you already saw the band. Here's their comb. Let's try to open this. Oh, look at it says in the back. The beard struggle. In 1 second. Okay. That's how it opens up. It's all wood. That's why it's hard to close and open. Low WD-40 won't hurt it. Well, that's my whole package. With the towel. I'll let you guys know in the description below the names of all these. And I'm going to leave the website. Fuck cancer. Well, thanks for watching. This is my first time opening a box from Beer Struggle, and I will start doing some tutorials to show you how to use these items, especially this one over here. Especially this one. It's hard to get them focused. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.